My mom had a good tagline when we were little. It wasn't even...
Ain't nothing better than Feta, except for cheddar.
That too, and then, wait, nothing better... Wait.
It's better than cheddar.
No,
Feta.
something with a bettaletta.
We're back, friends. Hello.
Hello. We're back.
We're back. Jenny and Anna eat now
Yeah.
because we felt that bake didn't encapsulate
All that we do.
around here. We eat, we cook, we eat again,
And then we eat.
and then we bake sometimes, and then we eat.
Yeah, so we really needed to really encompass all of this.
Yeah, so
what we do.
We wanted to start off with an easy, something that is so easy and
And light.
fresh and light to make because it's January and we're all trying to recover. And Jenny's favorite sandwich at Panera.
You know how we do my favorite places to go when I'm without kids? We did one where my favorite from Starbucks.
Yeah.
We did that. That was an explosion of absolute flavor.
Yeah.
And this one is my favorite thing to get at Panera. Okay, so this is a copycat
Yeah.
of their Mediterranean sandwich.
So we're gonna make for you today, saddle up, Mediterranean sandwich. Did it feel good?
It
Did you
did.
slap your
It
cheek
did.
again?
It
It's been a
felt like
while.
coming home again. This sandwich, I don't even think is on their menu. It's like one of those secret.
Really?
Yeah, you have to ask for it because it's not on there. Yeah, you won't see it. So you can ask for what bread you want. So I've done ciabatta. I don't like it when they put it on like their tomato basil regular sandwich bread. I don't like it. I want something a little bit more heartier, so I usually ask for ciabatta. And one time they were out and they asked, and they said, "Do you want it on a baguette?" And that was divine. So I have a baguette. So grab a baguette if you want to do it, or you know what we're gonna do this time? We could even try both to show you.
We made our own no-knead bread, which we will show you how easy it is to make in a new episode. So you can either pick one up at your grocery store or get yourself a baguette if you want to make this before we get you that no-knead recipe. It's
Right.
about as easy as it gets.
It does, and it's just light, easy, and something you could make for a really light lunch, or even you could do kind of for dinner, but I don't know if kids would like it. This has hummus on it.
Yes.
With all of our favorite, like it's so Mediterranean. It's got fresh tomatoes, red onion, feta, and cucumber on hummus. And of course, we made our own hummus. Check out our post, we have it posted, about how we made our own hummus. Delicious, easy, takes 2 secs.
Go to Planner Perfect Instagram. Go to my Facebook page, which is just Anna Lynn Thomas, where we went live there. But we also have the recipe over at
Jenny and Anna Eat.
Jenny and Anna Eat on Instagram.
Exactly. So we also are enjoying, by the way, our Nespressos we made. Let me tell you something. You deserve it. Cappuccino.
Espresso, some foam,
Oh my gosh.
some milk foam. Yum.
Okay, so this is the hummus that we're gonna do. Now, mind you, Panera, we always wanted to like upscale whatever our favorite finds are. And throughout the year, we're planning on visiting different places and then beating it.
Totally.
Better at home.
Yes.
Right? So this here that we made is our homemade hummus with a zhuzh of olive oil, extra virgin, and we put on here, this one has the ricotta and tomato pesto.
Yes, so Jen just picked this up at the store. So get fun with your pestos.
And put any, you know what I mean? Whatever you want, so you can put it on
Yeah.
top, or if you like it plain, whatever you want to do. But we're going to do this for our sandwich,
Yeah.
which is really going to make it upscale, to say the least. So what we're doing is, I don't know, you can't overdo it. I mean, after you're done with this, if you have too much, it's called put it on your salad. Okay.
Yeah.
So
How do you want to start?
we've got our red onion that we're putting in our bowl.
This is about just a quarter of red onion. It's just however much you'd like.
Right. we just got a nice good amount of tomatoes that,
Big handful.
that I had in a quarter. So they're grape tomatoes. And then our cucumbers, we're also gonna dice those up,
Okay.
Because again, you're eating it, and it's a messy sandwich. So like when I'm hanging out with my kids, when I go to Panera, my kids are like, I'm like, hi, I'll do the pick 2, mac and cheese with, I'll take your Greek salad with nothing on it but lettuce and dressing. And but while they're enjoying that, they're like, so you're saying no feta, Greek? I go, yeah, nothing,
They're
just
like,
the lettuce.
There's nothing.
Nothing great on it, just the lettuce and the dressing. So, but the sandwich, like the feta will fall out or a red onion, but that's what makes it amazing. And of course, it's in this beautiful, it's like it parchments around it. And so it's super, super, super good. You cannot go wrong with it. So here we're putting in some of the cucumber.
How much cucumber do you think that is? Like a quarter of a cucumber?
Yeah, it is, of an English cucumber. You could even seed it first if you wanted, but I say why. And then, would you hand me that? No, do we need that? We don't need olive oil, so never mind.
Okay.
I'm gonna put a little bit of salt though. I'm gonna,
Yeah,
you always
salt
want to
it up.
flavor it.
Season it all the way through.
Season. Oh, and put in the feta right there.
Just eyeballing it.
Can you even do too much feta? My mom had a good tagline when we were little. It wasn't even
Ain't nothing better than feta, except for cheddar.
that too. And then wait, nothing better. Wait,
It's better than cheddar.
no,
Feta?
something with a bettaletta. I have to remember and I'll get back.
Nothing's better than feta in a...
Nothing's better than
Bettaletta?
feta. Nothing's better than feta on a bettaletta. That's what it was. She's like, cheers. And this has a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. I'm just kind of drizzling that on. We could even do a little bit of fresh basil. What if we did that? Should we? I mean, we're gonna
Crank it up.
I mean, we obviously are making this elevated. So let's do
Elevated
it.
our way, which no offense, Panera, we appreciate you,
It's what gives us our inspiration.
but we gotta go next level.
We do.
I got 2 big leaves here. Let's see if that does the trick. I can cut up more. That's the thing about cooking in the kitchen though, is really tweaking and making it to your taste.
Gorgeous. Look at that. You might use your.
Yeah.
I don't mind if I do. Try a little. I mean, please. I mean, please.
Fresh.
Look at that. That's going on your sandwich with that bread. I mean,
Stop.
are you serious? I'm serious.
I'm dead serious.
Me too. Okay, so we're gonna show it on our bread first. So definitely use a serrated knife if you're gonna do some, yum. Do some,
Put butter on it now and give it to me
oh
now.
my gosh.
I do bread and butter.
You can't beat
Heaven
it with
on
a stick.
earth with homemade.
Listen,
And here's the thing about no knead bread, you guys. You put a bunch of ingredients together, you stir it around, you let it sit for a long time.
and this isn't even
and then you
using a
bake it.
sourdough starter.
Yeah, no,
This is just
with
with
regular.
Yeah. You know what makes a mom's heart proud too is when your sons are making your bread that they grew up with. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Good
everyone
sweet.
loves it.
Yes.
You got to make homemade bread because your kids are going to remember it and then they're going to make it or make you make it for them all the time. So here we've got our bread. Now, and here's our delicious hummus. I mean, and we want to make sure we get
Oh,
the,
yeah.
I mean, all of it. Yeah. Yes, please, and high and deep.
Oh.
Okay, then, okay, you take,
Oh, jeez.
oops,
That's okay. Gorgeous, fresh.
it is.
You could put this in a wrap easily. Make
Easy.
this into a wrap. You could put it on any kind of little bread device you'd like.
I mean,
Oh, wow.
oh,
Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
okay, so we're going to cut this in half. Please. I already can tell it's going to be a winner in the sun. I mean, talk about amazing. And you could even put, with these, you could make these on a little charcuterie. Put a little toothpick in it.
Oh yeah.
Let's go ahead and... Mmm. Mmm. Okay. Let me tell you something. This is probably, I would say, 100 times better than Panera's.
I would hope so.
100 times better. Yum. Am I right?
Oh, this bread is so soft and delicious.
Mm-hmm.
Of course, we've got the crunch of the cucumber, the sharpness of the onion and the feta, the salt and the pepper.
You taste garlic from the hummus, and then it's a little bit cheesy because it's a ricotta pesto, ricotta and tomato. So talk about elevated.
The basil was a good touch.
The basil was an excellent touch. This is wonderful for a girls type of party. Am I right? Have that on our
That is
charcuterie.
so good.
And you know what? Low calorie. You know what I love as well? That when you make your own homemade bread like this, where it's literally water, flour, and extra virgin olive oil with a pinch of salt, that's all you're eating. Top of the line.
Clean, top of the line food.
Top of the line food, and then you're putting your own homemade hummus. Okay?
Hello.
With veggies and feta.
It is too good.
We outdid ourselves.
We did it again. Okay, so you don't need to go to Panera anymore. You can make it yourself. Light, easy, delicious. Okay, you don't need meat.
No.
The hummus and the vegetables give it such a delicious heartiness. The basil, buddy.
Oh, we outdid
I'm
ourselves.
speechless.
We outdid ourselves. Not to mention, when you got that hummus, this is so perfect for entertaining.
Yep.
And just for
Make
dunking
yourself a
veggies and
favorite
pita
and make
bread.
your own.
Or that bread.
Yes.
Oh, Rick.
Go to our Instagram, get that recipe ASAP, and make your own hummus. And you know,
Hey, we're glad to be back.
we are glad to be back.
We're glad to be back.
Amazing recipes are coming your way, my friends. Tag and share your friends to share the recipe. Don't keep us to yourself.
No.
All right. We are so excited. Once you make this recipe, come back and tell us how it tasted. Okay. Until next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Well, they warned us beforehand that they're going to tap on the door and a guard's going to come in because this is night at the museum.
Okay.
And they're going to come in and you have to freeze exactly where you're at. And if you don't, they will make you, if they catch you move at all, they will make you do like some sort of workout. They had me at just tapping on the door. I was already like
what kind of workout? Like push-ups?
like, I just shouldn't even be here because I'm scared. Okay. And yeah, push-ups, jumping jacks. I'm like, what if I pee? I mean, the whole thing was scary. And so I didn't even really want to help out with clues because I always wanted to be ready to freeze. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And so anyway, yeah, tap, tap, tap. I'm like, hey, Taylor, did you get that?
Oh no.
Everybody be quiet. Stop, freeze.